this is Laura, and these are my two dogs, and this is the bad lady, and this is Charlie Shy, and this is Busterbox, or Booster. Today we're going to open it, and I'm going to open it by myself. What we have inside. Okay, open it, Lily. Try again. Okay, you can do it. Come on, Lily. What's that? What's
Now,
that?
slowly, show me. What's this?
This is like for show for dogs. Lily likes. What about you, Honey? You like this elephant? Lily likes everything. You like that? That's nothing. That's just a piece of paper. Come on. Okay.
Laura, where are you?
Let's make some scissors here. No.
Okay, what's the first thing we open?
This one.
What's this?
This is to play outside like this. It's hard, very, very hard. And they can chew on this. They can chew for them teeth. Who is stronger? Me. I am stronger. Try to fight. With you too. Give me that. Fight it up. We got elephant. It's good for teeth and it can noise.
Charlie.
Charlie likes that. Are you gonna mess with it? Ready? He likes that. Now let's open the tree.
Come on, just give it a second.
Are you happy? He says he is very, 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 very happy.
He looks like. Hey, lady, can I have it? Can I have it? No. No.
She very likes that toy, so she doesn't give me it. Let's open this toy.
What's this?
This is for chew, and you can put treats inside, and you can play with it outside, like this doggy. That's good for dogs, and it makes shiny teeth.
Charlie want to swap. Charlie want to swap ring for elephant.
Here, Charlie. Here's bite it. Now, Daddy.
Oh, they swap.
Yeah. Lily.
Charlie!
What was that? I am putting some treats in there.
Ooh. Whoa. Whoa.
Daddy, can you open, please? Which one is for boy and which one is for girl? This one or this one? Pick. This one. Okay, here. Here.
Okay.
Let's wait.
Oi.
Guys, are you getting it? Lily is the winner! Wait to have to put in the Little baby bird. Come on, Lily. Ah! I'm sorry I didn't look.
Oh, I think he got one.
Aren't you? Who wants treats now?
Ready?
Ready? Hop.
Hey. Okay, what treats you have?
This one's. You like it? Sit. Sit.
Do. Charlie. What was that? That's Lily. What's the other treat? Show me the other one.
Guys, this is a treat for you, Lily. Lily don't like these.
Lily.
Lily, stop.
Charlie.
Charlie, no! Don't.
We're gonna try this one. Charlie said that's the yummy bones.
Yummy bowl.
Charlie, look. Ow, Charlie. Careful. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Charlie, sit. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. He got it.
And that's the last treat. Sorry, Lily. That's the last treat.
Tell them to sit.
Sit. Sit. Good boy, Charlie. Lily, sit.
Sit, Lily.
Go sit. These are the one what I have.
Look at that. Lily doesn't like any treats. Lily. We won one. Hey, Charlie. Charlie. Well done. I think he really likes them.
Thank you for watching.